Walang sunblock. Ito, sunblock. Treat mo siya sa sarili mo. Masarap yung food, guys. Yes! Ang sarap ito. Creator week. Sarap sila. We're here. This is your Rasa wing. And this is Dongfu nag-check in na for me. Okay, mas maganda talaga dito. I'm kind of excited. Happy. So guys, ito na yung Rasa Sayang dito sa Shangri-La, Penang. And then syempre nandiyan na si Dongfu. I'll give you a room tour kahit na nandito, o diba? So first thing, pagpasok mo, you put your luggage there. Then you have your vanity mirror here, o diba? Hello. And then, dito naman, you have your safety deposit. Then, bathrooms are also here. Ang isang gusto ko i-focus nyo dito, guys, look at this. It's a top-notch sa Shangri-La property kung itong laundry bag niya is made from linen. Diba? Kasi usually, naka-ano yan eh, parang reusable plastic. Pero ito, linen talaga siya. Now, you also have your mini bar here. Water's provided. Coffee niya is Nespresso. Lahat ng mga instant coffee mo, teas are also here if ever you need. Beside it will be your living area. I love it. It's very Malaysian. Ito yung unique dito sa Rasa Sayang ng Shangri-La. And look at this. Tudong Saji, may like local delicacies. Libre rin to, kasama siya sa room. Nakaganito siya. And then when you open it, ganito siya. Ang cute sobra, guys, talaga. And then paglabas mo, ito yung parang namangha ako dito nung nakita ko to. When you open this, you see the whole view of the property. Very peaceful, very quiet. Ang daming kalachuchi sa labas. And then meron ka nitong parang day na jacuzzi. I will really use it later. Papakita ko sa inyo yan. And then meron ko pang day bed dyan na outdoor. Then this is the bed. We got a double. Siyempre, hiwalay kami ng bed ni Dongfu. And then, ang maganda dito, lahat ng sides mo meron niyang saksakan. USB-C, USB-A, you have a clock for speaker. And guys, even your blinds are all automated yan. Kailangan pasalamatan si Dongfu because of his membership. Napunta kami at na-convert kami to the junior suite. But we paid for the price of
superior. Just a double.
So, oh yan. So, double upgrade siya kasi nga member siya. That's why, lagi ako sumasama sa kanya pag Shangri-La because nagagawa niya ng paraan. Hindi siya nandadaya ng tao, it's just that he maximizes his benefits. I think that's one thing that a lot of people do whenever you stick and stay loyal to a hotel group. I personally am not that type of traveler kasi I like staying in different types of properties. Deadma ako masyado sa keeping to one property. Pero, yun yung nalulose out ko sa benefit. But kasi syempre, this is what I do. I like staying in different hotels, properties. I need the best value, di ba? I like to stay medyo mid, and then paminsan, I treat myself to go to a bit of a luxury stay. Pero not all the time, kasi syempre, mahal rin naman siya. Parang dapat treat mo siya sa sarili mo. Parang you deserve it. Hindi yung lagi ka nagsastay doon. Tapos, and guys, we got the drinks. So, Coke Zero. Si Dongfu yung peppermint tea niya. Sulit talaga dito, guys. And then like nuts. So yeah. Guys, ito na yung pool sa Rasa Wing. You can only be here pag exclusive. Guys, may free drinks kami. Yan ang walang sunblock. Ito, sunblock. And guys, may sunblock kami because kung wala kang sunblock, nakakatanda. Guys, ayan na. Oh. This is the beach front mo. Pwede kayo mag-sunbathing. Syempre, hindi ko gagawin yan. Uwak ba ang crow? Tama ba ako? Okay, uwak. Okay, maraming uwak lang dito. And guys, ito na yung cheese spa, ang pinakasikat mong spa. And ang ganda dyan, ang cheese spa guys. Oh, ganda. Nice. Guys, ito siya. So, sa labas to ng Rasa Lounge. And then we can go see the pool and all of the other stuff. Fairness, ang ganda dito. So, syempre, tour ko na kayo sa property. This one, it's more expensive than Golden Sands, but ibang level talaga siya. Like, this is Shangri-La. Ganun talaga yung vibe niya. Parang, eto ang Shangri-La. Ganun. And I would recommend if you have the budget, do the Rasa. Kasi mas maraming perks talaga sa kanya. Guys, this is the cheese spa here. Oh my God, bro. Ang ganda. Ganyan siya. Diba? Oh my gosh, ang ganda nitong cheese spa dito. By the way, they won Best Design Spa in 2009. So, you know, ang ganda to. So, if I have the time, magpapamassage ako dito. For sure na. So you can also do your activities here. Yung ginawa ko kahapon activities, pwede rin siya dito. Pero you have to walk to, ganyan siya. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! I love. O, diba ang ganda? Ganda. Ay, so guys, the best way is dumaan ka sa shoreline or sa beach line kasi nga dire-diretso. And then, yung hotel namin, dyan na. Kasi yan na yung cheese pa, oh, yung sa harapan. That's the cheese pa. Tapos room natin is there, on the second floor. Ayan, no, doon tayo. Ayan mga kalochuchi that you're seeing. So yes, naikutan natin yung buo. Tomorrow we're gonna have breakfast, but we also want tea. So now I'm thinking, saan kami dadaan? Do we pass here? Do we pass here? Yay! Love it! This is the afternoon tea. Oh, ganda, diba? See?
Spot
yeah.
the Maldita mo.
Maldita to. Ano naman sabi niya? Ano sabi mo?
Spot the Maldita mo.
Grabe siya. Oh my gosh, here's my Coke and here's my coffee. Masarap yung food, guys. Parang siyang falafel. Guys, it's ano na, midnight cocktails. So you can get cocktails na. Nag-order na kami ng cocktails, si Tongfu. And then we have fish and chicken. So try ko kung ano masarap dito sa dalawa. Masarap yung chicken. Lasing na siya, guys. Hindi man siya drink ng drinks. Pero masarap lahat ng mga drinks. Even this one that I got was so good. Right now, ang iniinom ni Tongfu, mocktail. Pero guys, you have to have a friend like that kasi siya yung sasalba sa'yo pag lasing ka na, day. Siyempre yata. Guys, di mo matutulog na. Ako sumasaya pa ako dito. Guys, we're having breakfast. So breakfast time. Gusto ko humugtog mukha ko. Pero we're gonna have breakfast. So, oh my gosh, see, we have buffet. And then, I think we'll get this one. May siyang ganda ng view namin. Ganda, diba? Guys, so meron siyang breads. Oh my gosh, may croissant. And look at this Danish. And may cheese. And then may, oh my god, may jams. And my fresh fruits. Look at the fruits. Oh my god, blueberries, strawberries. And you have cereals. And you have salads. Guys. And then, ay, salmon. Breakfast. Bago tayo mag-tour. Guys, ito yung mga times na nakikita nyo na naka-tour ako. Yes. And I usually do this. Ito yung alam yung work mode ako kasi first time ako nandito, tour tayo. Pag yung mga ilang beses na ako, kuminsan hindi na ako nag-tour talaga. Pero pag first time, gagawin natin na lahat. Kailangan palaban tayo, guys. Laban. Ito yung car that we got. Cute oh. Diba?
How's everything all good?
Yes! From the previous king of Thailand yan. And then those naman daw are Chinese noodles kasi mas round, small ice. Ito Thai kasi mas short and payat. O diba? Guys, oh my gosh, tingnan niyo tong carvings. These are all stone carvings. Like real carvings yan na. And then yun siya yung Buddha mo. O diba? Dinala. As in yun talaga yung hill. Bato niya yan. Pati yung mga bato na yan. Kinarve. Oo nga eh. Grabe. Very nice. Grabe pala dito, guys. Ang national flower nila ba?
It only blooms once in its life. For 3 to 4 days. After it closes, no more.
Oh. May pagoda, guys.
But you see the design, architecture, totally different from everything else.
Yeah.
3 culture influence into 1 architecture. Bottom 2, Chinese. Octagonal base.
So ito daw yung previous na icon. Ayan, at saka ito. Kasi yun daw yung matagal na. Yung mga bago, itong new temple, itong prayer hall was new, and the Kuan Yin statue na sobrang laki, yun, bago daw. Ito yung original. Diba? Kaya ka natutur kasi alam, hindi mo malalaman yung mga ganito. Meron siyang lift here, oh. take a ride on the first in time live in Malaysia to view the bronze Kuan Yin. Tickets! And we're gonna wait. In fairness, tama na unahin to. Kasi pag hindi mo to inuna, mainit. Look, so ito yung train mo, you buy your tickets there, pero kasama na sa tour yung ticket, so walang problema. And then, yun yung funicular train. Oh my God, doon ko may A&W!
Walang ganyan sa atin.
Okay, there's no food tickets.
There's a food court.
Ayan, ayan.
There's a small cafe.
Oh my gosh, ang fun nito. This is so fun. Sasarap din kami naman. Okay, so agad niya. Naka 2 minutes na kami. And hindi pa tapos. Level siya. Sobrang sulit. I think, must see. Guys, ayan na yung view mo from up here after you ride from the funicular train. So meron siyang sky view, parang if you, that's the bridge to go to Penang. And then yun yung buo, Georgetown na yung matataas na buildings. O diba? Ganda! Oh my gosh guys, dyan kami galing kanina oh. Nakita mo yung temple na yan, dyan na kami kanina. And afterwards punta dito. And then nandyan yung bridge. Yan ba yung pinakamahaba ng bridge? O yung kabila? I think ito yung mas mahaba. So, ayan yung bridge nila, guys. So, you have to... Ganda, ganda. There's a cafe here, guys. Diba, tingnan natin kung anong maganda dito sa cafe. Hey, tingnan natin. B1. Ah, may Teddyville Museum. Okay, tingnan tayo. Teddyville.
Teddyville Museum.
Ay, okay, we're gonna try our first char kway teow. Sarap! Parang masarap po ito. Ang chili. Guys, oh, nagbabayad na si Tom sa biography. Kaya ba? Ang tanong? Pa, kaya ba magbayad? Ang tanong? Nakabayad. Pa, nakabayad.
Okay, pamilya?
Thank you. Hi guys! O diba? Tapos na tayo. Ang pinakamaganda, Suriname Express Pass. Una ka talaga. Ito na, we're going to go to our favorite part of the day, which is titignan yung mga food courts dito sa may bandang baba. Ay, here! Are here! Guys, oh my gosh! Root beer food! Try natin yung ice cream. Masarap talaga root beer nila. Masarap talaga. Masarap. Tapos na namin yung tour, so kasi mabilis kami nito, so binigyan kami ng Georgetown tour. So hindi ko na kailangan umikot kasi nakita ko na siya lahat. As in, meron pa ang bonus na yung sa Crazy Rich Asian. O, di ba girls? Hindi nyo alam yun. Anyways, ito muna yung unang, ito muna daw, sobrang sikat daw nito sa Michelin to, Penang Road Famous Lux. Ito daw yung original. Hindi dun sa may Chendol. So we're gonna try this one because I think I need to try this. Guys, ito na yung pinakasikat na dalawa. Siomikaw, laksa, and then ito yung street mo. Guys, mabilis rin lang sila dito, so hindi siya ganun katagal. Pero may maraming kinds. Ang, parang, yung chendol, yun yung parang strip ng gulaman mo. Para, ayan o, ay, yung green, yun yung chendol. So, sabi ni Jishan, di ba? Sabi ni Jishan na dapat ito yung place. Kasi ito yung original. Yung sa mall, ito rin daw yung ginagamit na pangalan. Kaya sobrang yaman daw talaga nitong tao na to. Ang sarap ito. Ito gusto ko. Kasi parang may grass jelly siya na taste. Tama ba? Hindi ko mas gusto mo yan. Ito parang halo-halo. Kasi sarap yung chendol. Guys, chendol talaga. Ito yung ice katcha. Mas masarap yung chendol. Yum guys, sa breakfast. And our view here today is gardening view. Yun yung kwarto namin ng lugar. Tofu. And guys, we got coffee, susu. We're leaving. Yan na, nakapack yung mga bags. Ayan guys, naka-shorts ako. Look at my outfit. The rare types naka-shorts ako. Kasi mainit. Go! International departure tayo. And, oh by the way, kasi nilipad ako originally to Manila. Pero since I have a trip in Singapore, sinabi ko sa kanila na do not check me into the second flight. I will be getting my bags out in Singapore because we're gonna do something. Medyo excited ako for this trip kasi this will be the start of Creator Week. So I will be doing a panel together with creators from Vietnam, Singapore, Indonesia. So yun yung isang kailangan natin makita. And it's the start. I got the news when I was in Japan. And then now, eto na siya. So makita nyo ang TikTok team. Kinda excited kasi yung isang mag-speech sa Vietnam, siya yung kasama ko sa Hello Vietnam na trip. So excited. Anyways, I'll cross security muna. Yun muna. Bye!